Now let's move to sample problem 4.2. So it says here that 3 loads are applied to a beam as shown. The beam is supported by a roller at A. So roller at A. So makita ninyo din ano, roller siya. And a pin at B. So again, if roller, isa ra ka reaction. Pag pin, duha. So makita na ninyo diri sa iyang free body diagram. Neglecting the weight of the beam, so walay weight gihatag ha ang beam, neglect lang daw nato siya. Determine the reactions at A and B when P is equal to 15 kips. Okay, so first is you have to do your free body diagram. So mo ni ang free body diagram niya. You have your P 15 kips. Kip stands for kilopounds. And then the other one is 6 kips, and the other one is also 6 kips. And this is the reaction sa imong support. Sa pin, okay, you have A only, and so roller rather, 1 only. Sa pin na kay BX and BY. Again, ikaw gihapon nag-assume ana sa direction is either compression or kanang tension. But kung makita nimo sa discussion nato sa supports and reaction, yan, usually, compression, no, ang gibutang dito nga reactions, especially sa mga known line of action. Okay, so diri, if you're done doing your free body diagram, the next thing that you have to do is to determine what type of equation of equilibrium ang imong gamiton. So in this case, unsa man nga equation ang mas maayo gamiton? Summation of forces or mag-moment ka. Okay, so ang iyang gihimo diri is nag-moment. Asa man siya? Moment at A. So actually diri sa B, sa X, BX ramanggod ang kini ramanggod siya naginusara ang BX, no? So gidiretso niya summation of forces at X equals 0 tungod kay isara ang BX and therefore BX equal to 0. Ang imong BX di ay kay walay value, meaning wala siya, di siya makaapekto sa imuhang beam, sa imong rigid body, sa movement. Okay? The next is iyang moment at A. Kay moment at A. Nganong di man moment at B? Moment at pwede ra man gihapon mag-moment ka at B. No? Kay para makuha nimo si A. Kung ganahan ka mag-moment at A, makuha nimo si BY. So it's either pwede ra asa ka. So ang yan ang giuna dire, ga-moment at A lang siya. So let's see dire sa solution. So summation moment at A is equal to 0. So mag-moment ta dire kining atong reaction at A is equal to B0. Of course, si BX though it passed through the point A, pero 0 naman siya daan, so wala na siya effect. Okay, and therefore, unahon na to, si 15 kips. 15 kips, padulong din ha, it's clockwise, so it's negative. 15 kips, what is the distance, perpendicular distance between A and 15? It's 3, so that's why you have there 3 feet. Next, si BY. Si BY, paingon dito, so that's counter, so positive. Tapos, the distance between them, 6 plus 3 is 9. So, they have their 9. Next is 6 kips. So, 6 kips pa ingon din ha. So, that's negative. Kay clockwise. So, makita niyo negative 6. Tapos, the perpendicular distance between them is 2 plus 6 plus 3 is 11. So, naa ka din ha, 11. Next is another 6 kips going to that direction. Again, that's negative because it's clockwise. So, as you can see, that's negative. 6 kips. And then, what is the perpendicular distance? It's 2 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3. That's 13. So, you have there 13. Okay? 13 feet. Then, transpose everything on the other side. The only unknown left is BY, and therefore you can get your BY as 21 kips or kilopound. Therefore, kay positive man imong final answer, so meaning your assumption na compression imong BY is correct. So just put there 21 kips C. Okay? So next kay nakuha naman nato si BY, kuha na po nato karon si AY. Actually, pwede ra gyapon ka mag summation of forces at Y, no, aron diretso. Kay pero in this case, yang gigamit kay summation moment. Tapos, ang yang gigamit og checking kay si f of y. So, pwede ra gyapon mag f of y lang ka. And then, you do summation of moment at B to check your answer. Pero moment pa niyang gigamit og una, so let's just look at the solution. So summation of moment at B, so this one will be 0, equal to 0. So si A is going in that direction. So clockwise man, so negative. A times ang kuan distance is 6 plus 3, so that's 9. Then si 15 kips is counterclockwise, so that's positive 15. And the distance between them is only 6. Kini. And then the 6 kips, kini siya is paana, so it's clockwise, so therefore it's negative. The distance between them is only 2, so you have there 2 feet. Another 6 kips going in that direction, that's again clockwise, so negative. 6 kips, 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, then after that, you transpose everything, the constants on the other side. What is left is your A, which is the only one nga unknown, and makakuha na rin ka og positive 6 kips. Because it's positive, therefore, your assumption nga compression na ang imong A is correct. So, butangan na rin mo, A is equal to 6 kips, compression. And you can now check your answer kaya wala makakagamit og summation forces at Y. You can use that to check if your answers are correct. So, if everything is equal to 0, therefore, your answer above is correct. Okay? So, that's for sample problem 4.2.